Hello everyone, once again thanks for watching. Today's video is a short tutorial and is all about showing you how can you connect two mics simultaneously to your iPhone and record your podcast or an interview in a portable way. But first I want to let you know that I'm not sponsored in any way by no one and I bought all the products that I'm gonna mention with my own money. So it doesn't matter if you have one of the newer iPhones or the older one. Till recently, there was only one way to record more than one voice at the same time, especially if you were on the go, through the internal mic of your iPhone. But using the built-in mic is a resource solution because the sound quality is never that great. And that's where the Røde SC6-L comes in, because with it, you can record sound using two mics at the same time with improved and professional sound quality. Let me show you how it works. The SC6L is a simple input-output breakout with lightning connector with two TRRS inputs, which is simple to use. You connect it directly to your iPhone. Then you plug in the two mics. Here I'm using a Boya mic and a shotgun mic, but you can use any mic as long as it has a TRRS connector. And that's it, you're ready to go. Røde has its own app called the Røde Reporter that you can use to record your sound, but you can use any other app that you wish. The camera app, GarageBand, Voice Memos, Ferrite. You can even use it while recording video, for example to record your interview or podcast. For these situations, if you want to take a step further, you can use two kits of the Røde Wireless Go. This solution allows you to have the phone with what you are filming a bit far away without being concerned with the size of the cord of your lav mics. Now the Røde Reporter app. This is a free app and you can get it from the App Store and use it to record your audio directly. For me, this app has two great features. The first one is the fact that in the settings menu you can define that the audio from each mic be recorded either in the same channel or in a different one, so you can later edit it separately. And this is a great feature, because it really makes this a true portable audio kit without the need for an audio interface. The second one is the fact that once you set this up, it will apply to all the other apps that you will use to record your audio just as long as you use the SC6L. If you saw some of my videos, you know that Ferrite is my favorite app to record and edit audio. If you bought the Pro version, you will be able to record 8 different mics at the same time, but for that you'll need an audio interface of some sort. With the Røde SC6L, you don't need any audio interface, just as long as you are only recording two mics, knowing that after, in editing, you will be able to work each channel separately in the same or in different projects. This is what you have to do to get both channels. Once you have finished your audio recording or you imported your audio to Ferrite, you will find it in the library section. Click on it and it will open a menu. Select the I button. It will open the audio info screen. Next to the format, you will see the message using channels 1 and 2. If you want to change this, tap on it to show the channel selection panel. This lists all the channels whether in use or not. Each has a play, pause, stop button, allowing you to listen to each channel and figure out which channel is which. On the right hand side, it will show you if the channel is being used as a single mono channel or as a left or right channel of a stereo pair or not used at all. Tap on a channel to toggle it on or off. You must always have one channel selected. You can now split them off into a separate clip in the audio library so you can edit them independently. Once they are both separated, you can import one inside of the other and work and edit the audio of each mic in the same project. And this even applies to the app that you use to record your video with audio, like Vmic Pro. So, if you record an interview, for example, in the Vmic Pro app and you use the SC6L to input audio into the app, You can later export the audio to the audio app of your preference and edit each mic separately. Once there, I get my iPad and import the file from the Ferrite app and edit as I wish, just like a normal audio file. The SC6L also has a stereo headphone output for a direct monitor and playback, which is great. Rode offers a SC6L mobile interview kit, which includes two SmartLav Plus mics. There's also an SC6 breakout box version that connects to your phone through a headphone jack, if you have one with this option. The price is €79 for the SC6L version. This is a great tool that you can take on the go and use it with your phone or even your iPad, as long as it has a lightning connector that ensures that you can record clear audio anywhere on a portable but professional way. And that's it, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.